I'm going to attack this with some brake cleaner I just got, and then hose it down and see how clean she comes out. I might have to do a little bit of sanding, but if I can get most of it off and get it dry, I'll be happy with it, and then I'll paint it. It's going to get all messed up anyway, it's a motor. So we'll take a crack at this. I'll bring this outside so I don't make a mess, like I just did there. Got it. Alright, so we're going to do a little bit of a before. This thing's all flaking and stuff. It's all flaking off. But we'll give it a decent try. It doesn't seem to be working that well. There we go. Serena, what are we doing today? Huh? What are we doing? We're taking the engine out today? Take the engine out? Yeah. But what do we have to do first? What did mommy tell us before she left? I gotta do dishes. Alright, 7:30. Just gonna finish taking this out. Marco. So after about a week of procrastination and just things coming up, the engine is finally out. I do not have an engine stand for it, and my lift, when it's underweight, obviously it slowly falls down. So I'm gonna try and figure out what to do with it, because I still have, like, literally everything is still put together, and I don't have a lift. So this thing has seen better days. Look at all that focus. It's all like flaking off and stuff, and it's seen better days, but I'd had to pull it out anyway because the subframe bolts, where they bolted into the body, it was actually, the rust had actually gone to there, and I'd have to pull it out anyway, so I'm just gonna get rid of this. What do I have on it that I'm going to get rid of? That basically, someone can come grab this car for $100. I still have the coilovers in there, all four. What else is in here? I still have all the interior pieces, tan. Still have this dash with the control for heated seats. I'm keeping this. Sorry. It's also for, you can also have it for power windows if you have those. And yeah, so anyone wants this, let me know. Cheap money, come pick it up. If you're interested in the shell, there's no floor to it. It's cheap money. You know, basic coilovers and a dash, but for $100 plus all the doors and the glass and whatnot. You know, they're power windows. You can DM me on Instagram. Zip Ties Clothing Co. Or put in the comment and then let me know, then DM me. But that's how you can reach me if you're interested in this. I still have, you know, the fenders, bumper, hood, everything else. Everything else is still with it. Yesterday was Friday. Picking up a new project today, and it's 2 wheels. Oh, here's my other block right here. The head and transmission, and this thing needs a clutch. I replaced the pressure plate, and me being an idiot wanted to keep an aftermarket clutch, and I didn't really look at it that well, and it's toast. I have another one sitting right here, brand new, not even used. I bought it, well, just in case, because you never know. So that's it for today's video. If you like this video, like, comment, subscribe, share it. You know the deal. I'll see you guys later.